Ever wondered why we yawn? Let's uncover the mystery. Yawning helps regulate brain temperature by cooling it down, and it also increases oxygen intake. It's often associated with tiredness or boredom, but it can be contagious. Seeing someone yawn might make you yawn. Additionally, yawning may also be linked to empathy. When you see someone yawn, it could be a sign of your connection with them. Some researchers believe yawning is also a way to prepare the body for a transition, such as waking up or shifting focus.